Does the questions asked by the interviewer makes you feel nervous during your interview? Hi, my name is Rahul and I'm here to groom your interview skills. In this video, I'm going to give you some major tips about your interviews and the answers of the major questions asked by the interviewer in your interview. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. One of the most frequently asked question is tell me about yourself. By asking this question, what interviewer really wants to know about you? Any idea? Does he want to know about your car, how you named your pet, or about your soft skills? Actually, none of this. He just want to see how you represent yourself and what is your achievements in last organization. In the answer of this question, you can start from the greetings. I will give you some examples also. You can start from the greetings. After that, your name. If he already told your name, like, yes, Rahul, tell me about you, then no need to mention your name again. You can start after the greeting direct from your education. Then your previous experience, your achievements. For example, if someone is from the customer services line, he or she can start from good morning, my name is Rahul and I'm completed my MBA from this university. I have been in the customer services industry from the last 5 years. My most recent experience has been handling incoming calls in the high-tech industry. One reason I particularly enjoy this business and the challenges that go along with it is the opportunities to connect with the people. In my last job, I formed some significant customer relationships resulting in a 30% increase in the sales in a matter of months. My really strength is to attention to detail. I pride myself on my reputation of following through the meeting and the deadlines. When I commit to doing something, I make sure it gets done in and on time. And the next question is, what is your biggest weakness? Everyone knows how to answer this question. Just pick a theoretical weakness and magically convert it into your strength. Like my biggest weakness is getting so absorbed in my work that I lose all track on time. Every day I look up and realize that everyone has gone home. Now your biggest weakness is you will put more hours than everyone else. And the next question is why do you want to join with this company? In the answer of this question, my suggestion is beware of the generic answers because it sounds like the same every other candidate. So create your unique answers. To create your unique impression, you need to relate your strength with the opportunities provided by the company. For that, you need to do detailed analysis about yourself and the opportunities provided by the company so that you can easily match yourself with the company's position. And the next question is why do you want this job? Companies hire a pupil who have passion about their job. So you should have a great answers for that. For the example, you can say that the responsibilities of that particular job are the matching with your key areas of the interest. That makes sounds good. And the next question is why should we hire you? If interviewer asks you this question, you are in a luck. And this is the right time to sell yourself and your skills to the interviewer. In the answer of this question, you can say that you will not do only your work or provide a great results also. Tell them you are a dynamic personality and you can easily fit with their team and the company culture also. In the last but not the least, here are some other tips which can help you to improve your personality interview skills is make your answer within a time period like 30 seconds, 60, 90 seconds. It's depend upon the interviewer moods and the time. On the time of your interview, be calm, be confident, and give your 100%. This is not the last interview. So be yourself and give your 100%. So this is all from my side. If you found this video suitable, please click on a like button and share and help others. Thank you.